You escaped the rat race, but nobody clapped. Nobody noticed. The streets kept moving. The offices stayed full. And the world carried on as if you had never left. But real freedom is different. It doesn't announce itself. It doesn't ask for applause. It quietly removes you from a race you were never supposed to spend your life running. Meanwhile, Derek is impossible to ignore. New truck, new watch, new vacation. Every week, another reminder that the loudest life always gets the most attention. You're not losing money. You're not struggling. You're simply disappearing, while everything around you keeps moving exactly as it always has. Derek is still there, still laughing, still posting, still looking like he's winning. And for a moment, you almost question your decision, because in the system, visibility is mistaken for progress. The busiest people look like they're moving forward, even when they're standing still. And the ones who step away look like they've fallen behind, even when they're the only ones leaving on purpose. Then something changes. You stop asking how it feels and start looking at what is actually true. The math doesn't lie. It just doesn't comfort you. Debt is not a number. It's delayed pressure, and one day, it always collects. So you start removing noise, things, habits, expectations, not because you hate life, but because you want clarity. And slowly, control replaces chaos. Not excitement, just control. And that feels unfamiliar at first. The first exit doesn't feel like freedom. It feels like confusion. Because nothing is chasing you anymore, but nothing is rewarding you either. Silence becomes the new environment. And at first, it feels empty, almost too empty to trust. But silence compounds. Just like everything else in life, it grows quietly when you stop interrupting it. And discipline starts to replace urgency. You stop reacting and start observing. The world doesn't slow down. It just gets louder for the people still inside it. And from the outside, it looks like progress. It removes urgency from your life, replaces it with time. And most people don't recognize that as success. Freedom doesn't announce itself. It doesn't post updates. It doesn't ask for approvals. In noise, you're building in silence. And silence doesn't explain itself to anyone. Derek didn't lose. He just stayed. Stayed in a game that requires constant performance, just to feel safe. You didn't win faster. You just stopped playing a game designed to keep you busy. Busy, but not free. The goal was never money. It was always time. And time only belongs to people who stop trading it away. Nobody notices freedom because it doesn't look like success from the outside. And that's why you had to leave quietly.